Welcome to Lafette Custom Uncensored. Today we have a 2015 350 Super Duty. We're going to do the metal work on this bed right here. We're going to start off by just evaluating what we got. We'll get the new light and put it in, just see what it looks like. And the good thing about this is we have, just going to kind of sit it in there like that and look, and you can tell right here, real low. Needs to come out some right there. So what we're going to do, it needs to come down also. So what we'll do is we'll look at it. This needs to come down. So we're going to try to pull down here and pull this out here. See what it does. Just a little bit at a time. May or may not work like that. Have to check and see. No. So right there is not working like it needs to. Try to grind a little bit of this off and try to pull it out with a tab right here. I have to get behind there and get that out too. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna grind out a little bit here and here. Where we're gonna put the tab, this is gonna have to come out too. Right here, right here. I'm gonna do that while I got this out. I'm mainly hitting all the low spots with the wheel. Just start off there. Got one crease right there. This has got to come out. Gonna be pretty tough to get it out now. So let's start off by putting some tabs on it and see if we can't get it to move a little bit. Have to regroup. Get a bigger hammer. We'll just see. Just kind of testing, see what that's doing. Coming in pretty good. Do that a little more. That's actually flattening out like it needs to a little bit too, so I'm gonna keep doing that. Little crease right there. It's kind of like, all right, so we're gonna put some right there to pull that out, knock that back in. Still got some tension all on it, so we're gonna see what I can do right there. May not be able to do anything. We'll try and see. One thing about this, you have to do different things on everything. Is really no. I mean, you got the same steps, but they're all a little different here, a little different there. If touching metal, it won't do. Trying to get right there on that line. Try to pull it out. You can see what it does. Moved a little bit, not a whole lot, but I lost my bite on it. So it came out. It also brought that out a little bit right there too. So. If it fit behind it, may not fit. Quite. This has got to come out here. We're gonna hold off right there and try to pull some of this out because this is out too far this way. So it'll come out for this. You have to work it as you go along. Find out what are the best spots. It changes as you work in the metal. Now be careful with that. That's gonna be hot. We'll put some down through here. Well, I'm gonna knock ground off now. Just being down in that crease, it ain't really grounding like it's supposed to on the side. Should have ground a little more off. This whole section right here has got to come out, so we'll work it all at the same time. And get it in the ground and put the pins in it. Oh goodness. Tell you what. Just grind a little more on. Trying to. That should be a little better. Right. Didn't want to stick. We're still going down in the, let's say, the valley of the dent. Kind of starting to look like a porcupine. All these things coming out of it. some down in that. And pulling and beating on it, see what it'll do. You may have to add some or take some of these out of the way when you get going. Then that wasn't good. Okay, come out. That'll work. All right, we'll put probably 2 more right there. No, get that 1 more stick. Okay. All right. We'll go with that for now. See what that does. Get a little snatch bar. We'll start right here. So this has got to come out. So we need to really just kind of test the water, kind of see what it's like. See what it looks like right here. See how didn't really want to move a whole lot, so we'll that's come out a little bit. So we just kind of work around that. This one. Not really moving a whole lot. There's a lot of tension right here. Maybe I'll pull right here, tap down on this. I see that come out a little bit right there. That's good. Okay. Hey, what we're gonna keep working it around, see what they all do. It's all got tension on it, so. And that was not gonna hold. I knew that. Bad thing about these, sometimes they hold, sometimes they don't. Better than the old school when you drill holes. Will come out a pretty good bit too. Hate it when that happens though, because it messes you up. That right there came out. Let's a little bit of tapping on that, just in case there's some tension right there. A lot of these, only you can only do this once, maybe twice. On them, you got to redo them anyway. It's just come out a little bit. Okay, that's starting to come out, so we'll ease up. That one's not going to hold. It did. Come out a little bit. They're coming. Yeah, that one's come out. Work our way back down now. Got a little crease right there. Knock it down a little bit. Coming a little bit at a time. this right here again and probably try to get something from behind it and push it out. Still coming. Crease right here, we're going. On that crease right there. I'll have to put something right there, it looks like. There it goes, coming. Oh. Yeah, there. Moved a pretty good bit that time. Put a little tension on it. Tap this ridge right here again. Get this one to come out a little more. Oh, come on. All right, we'll have to put some more on there and keep coming out with it. It's looking good though. If I can't, wish I had my little hand on this was a little better. Doesn't really work that good right there. Trying to push it out a little bit with this. A little more of the tension off of it. Still got a ridge here and here, so it's still low in the middle. Push out on it and knock it. I'm just kind of looking to see where the points. Pushing on the back right there, pushing it out. A little tension. A lot better. Still low right here. Come out a little bit. Take a little bit of time. Be good right there. There's something about that. I have to. Real sure yet. We'll if we can't weld some more tabs on it, see if it'll come out. That's pretty decent right there. Get these things out of the way. Put our hands on it, see what it feels like. Always grind these off before you do it because they will cut you. get this one out of the way. Do some more grinding in there. All right, so got that round down a little bit, and this moved a little bit. Let's knock this in and see what this does. Pretty good right there. Granted, that right there needs some work done on it, but corner right here looks pretty good. I have to do something with this. This still needs to come out. All this still needs to come out. That there feels fairly decent. The body line that comes through right here. Stops right there. Got a crease right here. All right, so let's put some more of them tabs here. Before I do that, let me do this right here. Yep, probably right here too. I'm doing here, I'm trying to push this out, and what I'll do is go out with this. I'll hit that in. Not coming out right where I want it to. I want it to come out right here. That, okay. A ridge right there. We're going to go away. Okay. Looking better. Still a little hot. Come out a little more right there. That right there. So and right here. A little bit. Like that. Okay. Do the same thing right here. Pretty fairly decent right there. Let me see what this light looks like. That's to tell whether it's any good or not. So got to come out. Okay. Not quite in there, so it's still got to come. They got to come out here. Part right there seems to be fairly good. They got a little ridge right there. When we pull this out right here, this should come out and that should go in right here too. That's what we're trying to do now. I need to get this out more so that can go in. We'll start off by doing this again, try to get some of this tension out. Hopefully these will stick a little better. Hopefully these dents will pop out a little better too. Sometimes they'll just pop right out. Sometimes it's a pain. This has got a bunch of creases in it, so it's a little harder. There's actually a pretty good sized dent right there. I was looking at everything, just put my hand on it, and it just popped right out. From the inside, yeah, I was just feeling it on the back, just see if I could get my hand in there, and put my hand on it, popped right out, and I was saved a whole bunch of Bondo work because that hole had a big old dent right there. Popped right out, which I was thankful for sure. Right here a little bit. That right there, that's right in that crease, but we got a ridge right there we got to get out. Bunch of low spots. You just got to take your time and do it a little along. Really ain't no rushing to it. Just pull and hammer until it comes out. And if it don't pull and hammer, get a bigger hammer or a bigger pull cord. Well, put one more right here. Be careful, don't put your hand on that. It's hot. These things are welded in there. They're real hot. Let's see what this does when we go to pull it and beating on it. See what this will do right here real quick. Yeah, maybe down a little bit. We'll hit this side again. Yeah, look at there. We'll hit this one. Like that. Alright. That came out real good right there. So we'll worry about that more in a minute. Let's start right here in the middle and just see what it looks like when I pull on it a little bit. Okay. Let's try to take a little tension off of it. Start right here. Work our way in. Come over this side and do the same thing. Yeah. Come out a little bit. And it did go in a little bit when I tapped it right there, but hopefully when I come right here with it, it'll come out some more. Yeah, look at that. And we'll come right here with this one. Hopefully this one will come out some. Yeah, look at there. It's coming on out. We'll start right here. I'll do this one the same way. Coming out a little bit at a time. We'll pull this one out a little bit and probably gonna have to tap on it right there. Yeah, it come out like it was supposed to. Pretty good. So I'm gonna tap on that body line right there. Where that body line comes in with a little ridge right there. One right here. Right there feels pretty good coming down through there. It's low right here still, but that's that body line, and it should come smooth here. So I'm gonna come back and try to get this out some more. Looking good right there. Okay, so yeah. We may end up taking this off and reposition it just a little higher or something. What I'm doing when I'm going back in, I'm loosening it up where I can get it off. I'm not hitting it hard enough to move the metal. Sometimes it does, but I'm not right now. I'm hitting it a lot harder pulling off this time than I was last time, because I'm trying to go on and pull it out. If it comes off, it just comes off. Coming out just a little bit. We'll have to take them off, put one in the middle there. Yeah. Coming good though. We'll work our way back out right here. That was a good one. That popped it out pretty good. Yeah, that was a good one too. On out. I'm gonna go and try to snatch these right here. I'll try to get them to come on out. Yeah. Coming pretty good. A little low there and there. If I can't get this, come out some more right here. I think we're gonna take those off and see what it look like and reposition them probably. Coming right along. And when we put the light, I remember that this right here still has to come out, so we're gonna have to work on that. And this right here is still low. I'm gonna hit that with a grinder real quick. Okay. All right, so let's look, see what that says. Light still low here, still low there, low here, there, and here. Okay. We'll put some more pins in it right here and right here. Right there. I need to do this corner some more too. See what, before we get over there, I'm gonna see what we got right here real quick. That right there. Really ain't helping a whole lot. Yeah, we're gonna end up having to put something behind there and knocking that down. And this out too. Okay. Kind of thinking it would go fairly smooth. It is. It takes a long time. We're gonna get this up right here, and then we'll hopefully be ready. Put some Bondo on it. I'm trying to find the. Oh, here. Some reason I know it's on metal. It should be. I don't know. There you go. Guess I wasn't holding my mouth right. All right. Let's pull on a little more. See what she does. Start off right here in the middle. See what it. Pull it down a little bit. Actually went back in when I. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna have to pause it. We're gonna have to charge the battery. Okay, we're back. We charged the phone up. Actually, while it was charging, I looked at some things. I got some more tools that we may need to work on this. We're gonna go back to trying to pull out uh, some of these low spots right here. Yeah, that's good. It's coming out. Twisting this thing does help when I'm trying to get it off. When I'm hitting it, if you twist it a little bit, it helps to let it break free. Coming out, I like that. Here a little bit. It'll come out a little bit more. Yep. Right here in the middle. I have to hit this little ridge down right here. Yep, look at that thing pop right out. That was good. Hit this ridge. I'm liking that. It's coming around pretty good. I think we can do that. This right here feels all right. I'm gonna come right here and try to pull out some more right here and right here. Right there. Knock that down a little bit. Let's see what that does. That's a pretty good bit there. Pretty good. Yeah. If I get some more tension out down here. This little ridge right there too. We'll knock on it when we pull on this. Yep. Come out. There. I'll do this one again. Those look fairly good. Get this one to come out just a little bit more. There, yep. That was good. Down some. Pull these out a little more. Looking pretty good. Maybe. Maybe a booger to get out. I think I even need it again. Tell you what. Yeah, we'll just worry about that later. I think that's all I'm gonna do with that, because these are out as far as they can go. Take these off. Get that with a grinder. Okay. All right. So what I'm gonna do now? Gotta fix this and do something with this over here. Kind of hard to get something down in there. Sometimes you gotta figure out what goes in there right. Time it with the handle of the spoon. Right there. I've already looked, but it goes down flat like that on the other side, and that's what I'm trying to mimic. Just kind of rolls over like that. We got that little lip right there. If we can't get rid of that. I should have brought some pliers. Yeah, but let me get the pliers real quick. That right there. Make that nice and smooth around there like that. All right, let's just try to guys. Let's just look and see what our light looks like now. It should be still maybe a little low right there, but we can fix that with some mud. And down, still got to come down here. That's what I got to go do right there. This is back out, so I still got to come down. All right. What we're gonna do now? We're gonna try to bring this out. We got a bigger bar. I can push on this. We'll have to. What? Yeah, and once we do this, we'll also need to put the tailgate on it and see how it does. That's the lineup also. I'm trying to get this out and down. It still needs to roll down a little bit. We got a good way to do that. I can always straighten this back out if I get it to come out like it needs to. All right, sorry we had a phone call come in. Just trying to get this out. And right there, I like the way that does. And Using the hammer as a block in the back. See what the light looks like. Got to come out right here. Work on that just a little bit. This over here, I think we can. Make that work like that. Come down. Okay. So we got to come out here more. Figure out what to do, get it to come out more. Yep, like that right there. That I'm not really worried about this. I can fix that real easy. Yeah, and I see that right there brings all this in like it needs to. I'm gonna have to put some pressure on it. Hopefully it'll stay. Yep, because it needs to come way out like that. Putting pretty good amount of pressure on it. The same creases is what's holding it. Okay. It should have helped the light a whole lot. See? Yep, sure did. Now we got that little crease coming down through there. And when I'll do that one more time. Still got a little bit of a hump right there and right there. So I'll pull this out again. And I'll get it pretty good. Come on, hit on a little bit on this side. Okay. A little bit going on right there, but it'll work. Let's see what the light looks like now. Oh yeah. Yeah, we'll be able to put some filler right there. But make that nice and pretty. We'll do the same thing right here. Probably gonna end up having to drill a hole and pull this together and weld that right there. Right here where it's come loose. There was a weld right there, so we'll cut that out and we'll put this back in and put another spot weld right there. Clean that up, make that prettier. What I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna take this back out real easy. Set it one more time. I think that's pretty good. All right there. I'm gonna get that metal ready for the Bondo. Took a little bit of time, but I think it worked out pretty good. We're gonna do wiping the Bondo in the next video. So subscribe, like, share. Please give us your comments. We definitely want to know them. Thank you. Have a good day.